Students from Norfolk Technical Center's Carpentry program utilize their skills in a unique partnership.
About 6 months ago, Betsy McAllister with the National Institute of Aerospace contacted us about building the weather shelters that we're currently installing. She wanted us to build 20 of them, and the weather shelters have a bunch of different instruments that measure weather, measure soil temperature, measure wind, all those kind of things.
These students installed 9 shelters at various schools in Hampton with the goal of installing more throughout Hampton roads. Schools will use these shelters to collect data that can be used for lessons and projects.
We haven't really installed anything like this before, so it's a good experience to have. And there's also like the mixing concrete and everything. It's just like building on and expanding upon like skills that we already have, so we're like more well versed in it.
I enjoyed it a lot, actually. I am very hands-on. I love working with my hands ever since I was a little baby, and I would always touch a lot of things and grab a lot of things and combine stuff.
Mr. Crawford's students are amazing. National Institute of Aerospace educators had the opportunity to go over and see his students while they were in the process of building the shelters. And just, in the last couple of times that I've interacted with them, installing these shelters, they're engaged, they're knowledgeable, they're great kids, and the future for them is going to be very, very bright.